hope I hit it. Oh, there's something. Oh my goodness, look at that. Jeez. I didn't know we were growing loaves of bread. Look at them all. And these little guys, good for canning. Them. There's the reason their soil's so healthy. See? He's hanging out under there. Here, I'll put him back. Shouldn't be anything in there, but... Nice. That's one plant, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. We've got a couple more, so.